Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive deep into this powerful AI website called AnyDesk. So we're going to check the pricing, the features and the pros and cons about this platform to see what makes it stand out compared to other AI platforms. So to get started, AnyDesk is a remote desktop software. It lets you see and control other computers from anywhere. It's used for remote support and lets you access your computer from anywhere. Think of it as a window to another computer screen. Different version of AnyDesk offers a slight different features for connectivity remotely. You can pick the one that's best fit for your need. So talking about the top benefit of AnyDesk, here are some cool things AnyDesk can do for you when it comes to an easy access and control. It gives a fast remote connection, secure connection without encryption, and a unattacked or unattended access. It also comes with customizable access control and other specific important features like that. So talking about the best feature on this platform, AnyDesk has some useful tools that make connectivity to other computers easy. These special features help it stand out. So let's look at some of the best things AnyDesk can do for you. So when it comes to interactive dashboard, AnyDesk offers that. When it comes to straightforward connecting process, no, AnyDesk has this with you. When it comes to easy client management, AnyDesk cache recover. When it comes to remote access monitoring, AnyDesk cache recover. And also when it comes to the highest speed file transferring, this is absolutely a game changer. So when it comes to the pricing plan, it comes with a different pricing plan, starting from the solo plan, the standard plan, the advanced, and other key plan like that. So if you want more information and more info to decide on the specific plan which is best for your business, you can simply check back to the website to access the specific pictures that is allocated on each and every plan to decide which one works best for you. So thanks.